In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit assignments on Google Classroom efficiently and with ease. Whether you're a student navigating the world of online learning, or perhaps you're familiarizing yourself with this tool for any other reason, this guide is designed to make your Google Classroom experience as straightforward as possible. Let's start with the very first step you need to take, which involves heading over to google.com. Once you're there, you'll notice a bunch of options, but what you're looking for is the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will bring you to the next critical stage of this process. Selecting your Google account is the next step. If you're already signed into your Google account on your device, it might directly prompt you to choose the relevant account. If not, you'll be asked to sign in. Here's where a bit of confidentiality comes into play. You'll need to type in your password. Be sure you're doing this in a secure environment to protect your privacy. Once you've entered your password, hit Next to proceed. You'll find yourself back on the Google homepage, but this time you're signed in with your account. Look for the Google Apps menu, which is represented by a grid of squares in the top right corner, right beside your profile picture or initial. Clicking on this will open up a new set of options. Among these options, you're looking for the Google Classroom app. It has a distinctive icon, so it should be easy to spot. Once you find and click on it, you'll be taken straight to the Google Classroom homepage. Here, all the classes you're enrolled in will be displayed. Find and go to the specific classroom where your assignment needs to be submitted. You can do this by either scrolling through your list of classes or using the link provided, which directly brings you to your classroom. Within your classroom, the main menu items you'll see include Stream, Classwork, and People. You'll want to click on Classwork to find your assignment. Within the Classwork section, assignments are neatly organized. Look for your specified quiz or assignment. This would have been assigned by your teacher or course leader. Once you click on your quiz, you'll usually find brief instructions or a description along with an attached quiz form to fill out. Click on the quiz form to begin answering the questions. Take your time and read through each question carefully. Google Forms automatically saves your progress, so there's no need to rush. Each question is formatted according to how the instructor wants to receive the answer, so you might find multiple choice questions, short answer sections, or even longer essay-type questions. After carefully answering all the questions to the best of your ability, it's time to submit your quiz. You'll see a Submit button typically located at the bottom of the form. Once you're sure about your answers, go ahead and click on it. It's important to note that once you submit your answers, you might not be able to change them, so be absolutely certain before you hit that Submit button. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of completing and submitting your quiz on Google Classroom. It might seem like a lot of steps at first, but once you've done it a few times, it will become second nature. Remember, online platforms like Google Classroom are designed to enhance your learning experience, making it more flexible and accessible. In closing, whether you're completing a simple quiz, submitting an essay, or turning in a major project, the steps we've gone through today will remain largely the same. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel more confident in submitting your assignments on Google Classroom. Here's to your success, both online and offline. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next video.